Hey, and welcome to a new video. Pablo, come say hi. It's been a while since you've shown your face. Say hi to everybody. Pablo, why are you running? Why are you running? So today, I thought, why not film like a little get ready with me type of video, you know? Let's sit down and do my makeup. Because it's been a while since I've done that, because literally all my past videos are just me fucking up my hair. So today I'm just gonna be a little bit more relaxed than I normally am. So exciting! Also, today's video is sponsored by Regal Rose, which I'm so excited about because Regal Rose is literally my favorite jewelry brand of all time. Like, their stuff is so gorgeous. I'm going to show their beautiful stuff later in this video. So let's first just focus on this face. It is way too hot to be wearing a fucking robe. Also, I'm sorry, there's literally so much construction going on right now outside because literally everybody is working on their house for some reason. So there is gonna be a lot of background noises in this video. I'm sorry, I hate it too, but there's nothing I can do about it. I'm sorry. First, moisturizer. Because my face is always dry. I always start with foundation first. I don't know why. Honestly, it's very annoying to do your foundation first because if you mess up your eyeshadow, you have to do everything. No, I dropped foundation on my shirt. But if you start with foundation first and you mess up your eyeshadow, you have to do everything over. But I don't know. I just like to start with a blank canvas, you know? I don't like to start with some shit on my face. And this is the NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow foundation and I absolutely love it. Then concealer pepe. By the way, a little trick for everybody who wants to create kind of like that cat eye look. I always put like a little bit of concealer on like the outer corner of my eyes. And then just blend that. So that way your eyes, I don't know, can you see it? Your eyes gonna go like this. Floop, which I like. Just to pretend like I don't have sad and downwards eyes, you know. So for contour, I'm using this cream contour palette that I've had for like, I think 2 years. And about a year ago, the lid broke off. So it has literally been sitting like open on my desk for a year. So this thing is like covered in dust and in hairs and it's honestly so gross. But I don't want to throw it away because it still works. I guess I'm just kind of gross. I don't really care about that kind of stuff. Even though I really should, because I'm literally putting it on my face. I've been trying to get better at nose contour, but honestly it's still like so hard to do. Hey, I just spent 2 hours on a makeup look and it looked absolutely horrible. Oh. Let's start over. So I'm going to start over again and try a different look now because it was not what I wanted it to be. So for the next look that I'm going to do, which for you will be the first look, is this beautiful eyeliner look. Oh, this beautiful eyeliner look by Alistair Ross. Alistair Ross, I don't know how I pronounce it. Honestly, they do like the most beautiful look ever. Like, it's actually insane. I've already did a makeup look before, inspired by them, but I'm just gonna do it again because this is gorgeous. So let's get physical. So for my eyeliner, I'm actually going to use a black face paint. I would normally never do this, okay, but I run out of all my eyeliners, my black eyeliners. So I gotta use this. Let's see if I can make this work. I wish I was better at doing graphic liners because I love them so much, but I just can't do it myself. I don't know what it is. I don't think I have the patience for it. Or just like the skills. Because it's so hard, but it's always so gorgeous. I don't know how people do it. Like, it just baffles me. Okay, so now let's try to match this side to this side. Oh, that's so hard. That's so hard. The good thing about like these water activated paints though is that they are so incredibly easy to wash off. You literally only have to use water. Which honestly is great if you want to do your makeup but you're not planning on leaving the house, you know? I mean, I wouldn't really recommend going out with this on your eyeballs because it's not gonna stay there for long. But for something like this it works, you know? They are not symmetrical. I still don't think it's symmetrical, but I'm just gonna keep on going because I don't want to be doing this for 2 hours. I also feel that doing a graphic liner for a get ready with me video is literally the worst decision ever because I can't really talk and do my eyeliner at the same time. Because it's just, it needs to have my full attention. I need to be focused. But yeah, first thing done. It looks cute. I actually like it. So the low part of the eyeliner didn't work. Once again, I failed. So let me do a different shape and hopefully I'll be able to do that, you know? Okay, so the eyeliner is on my face. Finally, oh my god, this all took me so long. This is literally the reason why I don't film a lot of makeup videos anymore. It's because they always take me so long to do and I always fail and I can't do anything right and it sucks. But eyeliner's on my face. Now onto the very exciting part, and that is the glitter. So I got my NYX Cosmetics Glitter Goals palette. Look how pretty! Oh my god! I'm definitely gonna be using this color because it is the exact same shade as my hair, and this color as well, I think. Woohoo! And the black base underneath it is just going to make this glitter look absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then I'm going to take the purple shade, which is number 2, and put that in the outer part. Look at all that glitter, boy! Look at all that glitter, boy! I'm just taking that same purple in the line over here. Okay, so the eyeliner look is done, and honestly, I am very proud of my creation. And I'm still mad at my neighbors for freaking tearing down their house or something. Like, I don't even know what they're doing, but they're making a lot of noise. So for lashes, I'm using these very like thin but also very long lashes. I don't know what the name or brand is of these lashes because I am just way too unorganized to even be making YouTube videos. Because I literally just take the lashes out of the packaging and then just put them somewhere on my desk. So my entire makeup desk here is just covered in lashes. And whenever I need to find like a pair of lashes, I need to go through like mountains of makeup to find the left and the right one. So yeah, I'm sorry, I will try and do better. Okay, so let's now just continue on some blush. Blush. This is the Color Pop Cosmetics Pretty Thing blush. Just warm it with my finger first. Beep. Put it on my cheek. Ooh. I also put a little bit on my nose. Just so it looks like you've actually seen the sun, you know? I'm using this beautiful NYX Cosmetics Holographic Halo highlighter. It looks like, even though this is like purple, it still looks very natural on your skin, you know? And I like that. So I'm just gonna place that over here. Always put it on your nose. It's mandatory. But what am I going to put on my lips then? Because I feel like this is a very intense look. So maybe the lips shouldn't be as intense. But I like it when stuff is intense. I think I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. perfect. Yay, this is the color Material Girl. Oh shit. This literally took me so long to do. I mean, it has been hours since I turned on my camera. But yeah, this is the makeup look. Honestly, I know it is pretty intense. With the lipstick, it just makes it very gothy and like dark. So if you do not want that, you can just wear a lighter lipstick. I mean, that's fine as well. But I like the darkness. I embrace it, you know. So let me just put on something else and then I'll be right back. Okay, great. So it is literally 4:30 p.m. and I was still in my pajamas. Not because I'm lazy or anything, just because this makeup took me way longer than I wanted to. Now it is finally time for me to decorate my body as well. And this is where Rycote comes into play. They're based in the UK and their items are kind of like very like gothic and dark, but also very angelic. And they also have like a big variety within their collection, because some items are very small and dainty and like cute, but other items are like very like large and like chunky and in charge, if you know what I mean. Because you know, sometimes you just feel like a dainty little princess and the other times you want to stomp on people's neck. So I love that you can pick and choose how you feel and what you want to wear. So I got my items right here. Oh, it's so cool. So I got these three. Let me just put them on my finger. Then I keep my earrings and necklaces in this little box, which is also from them. And let me just open it. I love this so much. Oh my god, this reminds me of my childhood. It's so cute. So I keep everything in these little bags so they come with your order, which is super useful because they don't get tangled. Because that's a problem that I have with all my jewelry. I mean, like, this is what I mean. This is like a pretty big chunky earring. But I also have like this little scorpion. And these I wear almost every single day and I get so many compliments about them. Because they're like cute little roses. I think I'm actually gonna go with these. So for necklaces, I always like to layer them. I always like to use like different textures and like different thicknesses and stuff. So first I'm going to start with this beautiful heart necklace. Put on this like little dagger necklace because it matches, well, kind of matches the daggers in my ears. And a little simple chain necklace. Another necklace, because as you can see, I really love wearing necklaces. So yeah, this is me with my decorated body. Oh shit. So yeah, if you want to check Rycote out as well, then you can go to the website. I will leave the link in the description box down below, and you can actually use code QueenLindy20 for 20% off your purchase. And no, I did not come up with that code myself, but I absolutely love it. Queen Lindy. Sounds amazing if I say so myself. Thank you so much Rycote for sponsoring this video. I mean, I am absolutely obsessed with their items, so it makes me very happy that they wanted to collaborate today. So yeah, let's now see if I can make something of this hair, because it's literally been in the bun for like the entire day, so it's probably looking a little bit weird right now. The good thing about this hairstyle is that it's kind of like supposed to be messy, so I don't need to do a lot to it in order to make it look good, but it does need a little bit of attention. A little bit of my hair foam, which for some reason doesn't foam anymore, so my hair liquids now. And I'm gonna like flatten this out a little bit, because I like my hair to be kind of flat. And then do this to the back. Ta-da! Like I said, I didn't need to do much, but I still had to do a little bit, a tiny little bit. So yeah, everybody, this was me today showing you how I get ready to go nowhere. But you know, sometimes you just need to do that. I mean, just because you don't really leave your house anymore doesn't mean you shouldn't get ready. I still feel great now. I don't have a lot of people to show this makeup to, but I still am feeling my oats. I got my jewelry, got my hair, got my glitter on my eyes. Like, what more do you need? I mean, there are a lot more things that I need, but... So yeah, everybody, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to have more like get ready with me type of videos that are like a little bit more low-key and a little bit less of me like screaming into the camera, then please let me know in the comments down below. But if you want to see more of this, then I will try to do makeup looks that don't include a lot of concentration, so I can actually try to have a conversation with y'all. Maybe you want to have that? I don't know. But anyways, just let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to follow me on here if you're not following me yet on YouTube, and also on Instagram and on TikTok, because I would really appreciate that. Bum, 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 boom, boom. Yeah, hope to see you in my next video. Bye.